Magmula 30s, 40s to 50s, hanggang mag-late 50s ka, ang gaganda at gagwapo na ng mga tao ngayon. Hindi na to. Even if ang dami nating problema.
Yeah.
May iwasan yan eh. It's how you carry yourself. Pero, ang tanong ko, paano nyo inaalagaan yung sarili nyo?
Ako, I really value my time and set time specifically for me. So whether that's mental yan, if I need a break, I meditate, I pray. If I need to work out, I started being active na rin. Going to the gym, working out, yung mga kinakain ko. Kinakain in a sense na hindi lang, I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna take care of myself, I'll eat healthy. Hindi minsan gusto kong mag-junk food.
Reward yourself.
Reward yourself.
That sense of balance of just being aware of what you need at the moment and listening to your body, listening to what this, and this needs.
Yun. How about you?
Face yoga.
Ano yung nagagawa na parang bumabanat mo yung skin?
Nababanat. And I can honestly say that it did give me a good improvement. And then, mga creams, very tita.
Tama naman. Mga moisturizer. Eye serum.
Yes, mga ganyan.
Appear muna tayo dyan. Di ba? Appear tayo. Join ka sa group?
Yes.
Gusto mo join sa group?
Sa serum.
Appear ka na.
Serum group.
Serum group.
Sa serum.
Kailangan ko na rin yan.
May dagdag pa ako.
Sige, ano yan?
Feeling ko, mas ina-embrace na namin na other than the things that make us happy, feeling hot and being hot.
Love it!
Girl!
Diba?
You know, I think it comes from also being able to take care of yourself.
Yeah.
When you talk about wellness, that being able to take care of yourself adds to your perception of your self-worth.
Yeah, exactly.
How you value
Hindi,
yourself.
tsaka ganun ka makikita ng tao eh. Kung ganun yung nafe-feel mo.
Yeah.
Ang topic kasi natin for tonight is women, wellness, and self-worth.
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado. Ihanda ang may katbaso sa lames at intablado. Gusto ko ganito, ang kwentuhan lang ay easy. Nagiging totoo lalo pag naka-whiskey. Pero hinay lang, para goods pa rin ang kidney. Pormahang mabait pero mga bara ay deadly. Hugot lang ang beat pero kumakalabit. Hip-hop kalakit sa struggles ko sa streets. Kung usapang patagisan, huwag magbaka sa kalibro. Utak namin hinulman ng kali at sa kalibro.
Tara pag-usapan natin dito, kwento mo sa buhay. Kasama mga pogs, ilabas lahat ng tunay. Mag-relax lang tayo, sober man o tipsy. Aral makukuha mo sa life over whiskey.
Mula sa baba, ngayon tinitingala. Inakit ko ang bunga, hindi lang basta tumingala. Pogs na ngayon ang bata na minsang pariwara. Wala ngang imposible at merong himala.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Life Over Whiskey podcast, where we share valuable life lessons and stories you can learn from over a glass of whiskey. My name is Brian.
And I'm Gerald.
Direk J, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Maulan na gabi sa'yo, Brian.
Maulan na maulan. At sana, yung mga ka-whiskey natin, hindi na baha.
Kaya.
Pero, kidding aside, Direk, nandito pa rin tayo sa napakagandang studio ng Tritone Entertainment. Tritone, maraming salamat for allowing us to be here and experience your space. At good news, Direk, pwede na rin ma-experience sa mga ka-whiskey natin itong space na to starting this September of 2025. Pwede na lang mabook.
At saka ang galing, Bray, kasi friendly ang mga crew dito.
Oo,
From the director and sa lightsman, lahat.
Oo.
Tsaka ang galing mag-setup. Tamo naman, di ba? World class.
And of course, Direk, hindi mo kumpleto ang gabi kung wala ang ating sponsor.
Charles St. James.
Charles St. James, maraming salamat for being part of this episode and for supporting Life Over Whiskey. Direk, without further ado,
Let's go.
Start. Our guest for tonight, grabe, itong dalawang tao na to.
Parang umpisa pa lang, tumatawa na tayo.
Hindi ko na mapigilan. On the mic today, our guests are two powerhouse women. Together, these real-life best friends and creative partners mix substance with comedy, tackling women's wellness, self-worth, and the hilarious realities of being modern-day titas. Okay? With their signature blend of honesty and humor, they remind us that healing can come from laughter, sisterhood, and never taking life too seriously. Mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-low barkada, let us all welcome G. Canlas and Abby Asistio.
Yahoo!
Kahit naman yung introduction na yun.
Grabe, na-teary-eyed ako doon.
Parang feeling ko magigising tayo, ano?
Magigising
tayo ngayon, magigising tayo.
Bago lahat, shot muna tayo. Shot tayo. Charles and James.
Charles and James.
ASMR
na pala, no? Guys, maraming salamat for being part of this episode. It feels as if we're also part of your podcast. Diba? Maganda.
Parang first collab din natin.
first collab. Really, it is.
We can say, no? Direct,
Yes.
it's as if.
Yes.
Yeah, we're doing also podcast collab with them. And honestly, it's a privilege now that both of you are here. We're excited to learn more about who you guys are. But if I may, Direct, ang topic kasi natin for tonight no, is women, wellness, and self-worth. Bago ang lahat ng yan, obviously, like, these are two powerful women at tayo ay lalaki. Ngayon,
magkakaiba ng take,
magkakaiba tayo ng take for sure.
Magdedebate ba tayo?
Medyo. May debate ngayon dito.
Tingnan natin. Pero we wanna tap into maybe a little bit of your background story. I know that, G, you've been a guest on a previous episode, but maybe you can come from paano ba kayo nagkakilala and all. Pero simulan natin kay
Abby.
Okay, so pareho kaming into the arts. We're both into creatives. More ako kumakanta, tsaka nag-host siya. Na-meet ko siya, model pa siya noon eh. Model, actress. And then we became friends because of church.
Okay.
Sa Victory, we were part of the Talents group. But we were also in an improv comedy group. Called Bitaw.
That was like sobrang tagal na to, years ago na to, no?
2006.
2006.
Bray, sumusobra ka na sa tagal na nito. Umayos ka, tatlo beses pa.
Ilang beses mo na sinabi.
Tatlo kami dito, Umayos ka.
Depende ko lang yung sarili ko. Kasi nakwento ni G.
Okay.
Klaro pa baka lang sabihin mo, judgmental ako, di ba?
Hindi, okay lang.
Sige.
Hindi, pero as individuals, I guess, kasi magkaiba naman yung personality namin, but one thing that brought us together as friends is we just love enjoying, having fun, and being ourselves. Napanood ko sa podcast mo nung nag-guest ka. Sabi mo, ikaw yung tipong kahit nasa gitna ng mall, sasayaw na lang bigla.
Yeah.
Parang ganun kaming tao. Hindi kami masyadong nahihiya to express ourselves, to speak our minds. So, yun, very real talk vibe ang ano namin. And then, ako personally naman, I started singing. After college, nag-try na talaga ako to be an artist.
Were you always immersed in that kind of environment?
Yeah, kasi grade school, high school pa lang, I was part of the drama club. Tapos ako yung songwriter din ng mga pag may musical or pag may leader sa class, kunyari may sports fest. Kumakanta ako. Pag may song fest and then mga choral fest, ako yung parating nasa sa harap, ako yung nagli-lead.
Pop kid yan.
Konti lang. Uy, hindi kasi very jolly person ako. And ayun, tapos biglang nung after college, sabi ko, I really wanna give the industry a shot. Ako pa yung nagbigay sa industry ng shot. I wanna give...
Bigyan mo na?
Oo, sabi ko, sige na nga. I'll give the industry a shot. So
baka magsisi ang industry.
I know. So as early as after college, sabi ko, I'll give it a shot. Hindi, pero yun, I started with hosting. I did a travel show with TV5 and then on GMA News TV, I did a remix report where we sang the balita. Kinakanta namin yung news. Tapos, yun yung una kong trabaho talaga as a creative. I was hosting and then eventually from prod nights na kanya-kanyang sikap, kanya-kanyang production, kanya-kanyang bayad sa sarili. Or hindi ka naman kumikita pag nagpo-prod night ka. Eventually, natuwa naman yung mga tao. They started hiring me na as a singer. So, nagkapwesto ako sa Jill's Fort. Doon ako nagsimula talaga to be an artist.
Jill's,
Oo. Wala na ano na siya ngayon
Na-demolish na eh.
Demolish na. Pero andun ako nung mga panahong nagsisimula ako, Jill's yung naging tahanan.
So you guys both met through improv?
At church.
Church muna.
Church muna.
2006. Pero magkasama kayo sa improv ng 2007.
Yeah.
Ish.
Kasi yung mga taga-church, sila yung nakasama sa improv.
Yes, ganun din eh. Kung sino-sino yung makasama namin sa church, yun yung nakasama namin sa improv.
Pero parang opposite kayong dalawa, no?
We are. Like, I was...
Little.
Yeah,
What was the first impression? Church days pa. Like, what was the first
Parang
impression?
ayabang naman ito. Or, ay, cool girl to.
No, actually, we got... I said this in our podcast. I saw her, I was able to bond with her sa church, but I saw her when I was training with Philippine All-Stars. We would run UP every day and it was raining. And yun, she was running with us, na-invite siya.
Kasi yung best friend ko at that time, part of All-Stars, was si Madel.
Tapos she was running, tapos sabi ko, this girl has such perfect hair. It's raining and her hair is like sobrang plakado. Because I didn't know at that time na it was a wig.
Yeah.
So, yun na naging bonding natin, yung story time na yun actually. Because you were
Pero
telling
hindi ko pa
us.
pinapakita sa mga tao.
Oo,
Kasi I have alopecia. So to those watching, so I'm wearing a blonde wig today. I just go with what I feel like. But nung time na na-meet ko siya, andun pa yung mga panahon na hindi ko pwedeng hindi pwedeng malaman ng mga tao na nakawig ako. Although, sabi niya hindi pala daw gumagalaw. Pero nung time na yun, akala ko effective naman ako sa pag...
No, but like, ang
Tatago.
impression ko was, ang ganda. Ang ganda nung hair. Kasi nga, sabi ko, hindi ko naisip yun actually.
Yeah.
Ang naisip ko, ang ganda. Tapos ang tumatak sa akin, one of our friends was like trying to show off her skills in songwriting. So, they gave her a topic. Kunwari ako, bibigyan mo ng topic kasi magsi-speed talk ako. Binigyan siya ng topic about heartbreak or something like that. And then she did like a little, ano ba yan? Riff.
Na-imagine ko parang ewan. Yung pag sinabi, kanta ka nga, ito yung topic. Tapos sabi ko, husband, heartbreak. Pero ganun kami. Ganun yung... Siguro doon din nag-start yung pagiging natin.
Creatives.
Creative at saka yung bold to just give it a shot and just experiment.
So sino ang sa inyo, malakas ang personality? Sino ba yung mas nagbibigay? Sino yung mas... paano yung dynamic yung dalawa?
I think pareho kami malakas ang personality. Pero...
I'm a more subdued type.
Okay.
Naiinis siya.
Para ayaw niya pumayag, naunahan ako dun
Hindi kasi siya yung,
She calls me a yapping chihuahua, okay?
Actually, ikaw lang feeling ko I never said
You
that.
did. You said, there was one...
I don't remember.
There was one time, parang I got excited about something. Kasi pag merong happy news, ako yung, oh my God, happy like that! And
Tapos pag sinabi mo sa akin yung news,
tenga ko, singer ako, singer,
and then tapos
tenga.
sabihin ko, that's great! Ganun.
Tapos I'm like,
pero excited talaga ako.
In a way.
Oo, pero excited ako. Na I think nag-work din, like fast forward to now, yung partnership namin nag-work kasi we were able to highlight that
Each
chemistry,
Yes.
that we're different in that sense, na siya yung, aawahin ko siya. Ikaw, aawahin mo siya. Tapos sabihin ko, ayoko ko siyang aawahin.
Ikaw na lang.
Kasi yun na nag-viral yun ng super. That was like total of 34 million views.
Oh my.
That one.
Wow.
Na parang...
Nagtitrip lang kami.
Oh yeah, kasi parang yun nga, we would do skits. Tapos parang nag-evolve yung skit na parang I'm teaching her how to be palaban.
Yeah.
Siya naman, she's the reluctant one.
Oh. So paano naman in business? Sa business naman, paano kayong dalawa? Like, for example, yung dynamic namin. Sa inyong dalawa, sino yung yung mas aggressive na, kailangan gawin natin to? Kailangan, nasa tamang path tayo? Kailangan ngayon na natin gawin to? Sino naman yung
Sa
isa na...
pagpaliban pa.
Teka lang, kalma ka. Masyado ka ng aggressive or masyado na tayo.
nagmamadali.
Actually, parang pareho naman tayo eh. Kaso,
Parang
sige,
pareho,
ikaw.
pero ikaw kasi you're an activator. In the
Yeah.
sense na, okay, let's do this, ganyan. Ako yung parang restraint na, okay, wait, okay, if we do that, what's the next step? What strategy are we gonna take? So, pero kumbaga...
Compensate.
Oo, sa kite, di ba sa kite? Kailangan may string.
Push and
Siya yung tagalipad na, let's do this. Let's aim for
Kasi
this,
gagalaw
ganyan.
talaga ako.
Ako yung, wait lang, for us to fly, we kinda need that string.
Pero siya yung maniti-gritty.
Balance.
Oh my God! With posting, like if we're cross-posting stuff,
Nainis siya sa akin.
she would nitty-gritty like, okay, yung smiley face, it shouldn't be a smiley face. It should have a heart.
Yung hashtag na ginamit mo, hindi yan yung hashtag natin.
yeah,
Dapat itag mo ako as collaborator.
Tapos parang ako, okay na, napalipad ko na eh.
Or sa production naman, mas, kaya kong mas maging intimidating or magsungit.
yeah.
Siya kasi, yung personality ganyan, pero when it comes to work, since we're talking about business production, siya yung mas, okay guys, let's do this. Ganyan. Ako yung,
Siya yung woksh.
Ambivert
bakit
talaga.
ganyan?
So, Bri, sino ka sa kanilang dalawa?
Hybrid.
Halo rin, no? Kahit ako, nung una sabi ko, parang ako si G. Pero hindi eh. May iba siyang
hybrid.
character na, or ganun eh. So,
That makes us unique.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, di ba?
mas OC ako, no?
OC siya.
Tsaka gusto ko na i-implement yung pagka-OC.
Kasi, so I own Muchness. But she started as creatives and also the songwriter for the jingles. But then I told her, pag may shoot, I need you to be on top of things. Kasi siya talaga yung, ang pangit ng buhok. Ano yung buhok? May totsang.
Hindi naman ganyan yung pagkasabi ko. Medyo nice naman. Charot. Hindi, sabihin ko,
Madam
that's
yan.
not gonna work. We change that. Palit.
Oo. Ako pag
Kasi dapat may ganong balance.
pag nagme-message ako sa group, ako yung may smiley face. Siya, can you not do that?
Minessage ko siya. Could you stop putting smiley faces on all your messages? Kailangan
It gives the wrong impression din na parang,
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, close friends talaga sila. Kasi isipin mo, not because of your chemistry, pero yung the mere fact na call out in some way na, oy, wag ka mag-smiley dyan. Diba? Parang may concern na ikaw naman, you won't take offense dun sa sinabi niya. Right?
No.
And then you're 18 years, no? 18 years?
Ish.
18 years old, yeah.
Yeah, 18 years old.
Relationship.
Accept it.
Parang kami anak. parang 18 years old.
Hindi siya rin naman, meron din naman akong mga Ako kasi naman, di ba, kinu-call out mo rin naman ako pag meron akong wishy-washy.
Yeah.
Minsan, I would
Parang
make a
mali decision
decision.
mo dyan, girl. Ganun.
Or parang sabi mo ganito, tas ngayon, iba na naman yung isip mo. Kasi I thought about it. Hindi.
But the thing is, with us, parang siguro perk na rin of like being friends for so long. Parang you don't take things
Personally.
Surface level, gano'n?
No, parang you don't take...
walk on eggshells. No?
Don't walk on eggshells, Tapos I can trust na if she tells me something, she doesn't mean me harm, and the same with her.
Yeah.
So if I tell her something na, you know what, I don't feel, kunwari with her music, I would tell her, I'm kind of like not liking the vibe or whatever. But
I know, right?
but she would know it's coming from a place of like
Love.
I want her to
Concern.
succeed.
Yeah.
And either way, full out support.
Nice.
So
Yeah. Yun naman sabi niya, it may not be my cup of tea, but once it's out, I'll go all out.
yeah,
Told you, I'm a songwriter.
once it's out, I'll go all out. Okay. Parang relationship na. Ay, gano'n.
Matawa na siya, hindi naman tayo nagpapatawa. Pero yun, parang...
Maganda sa relationship yun being able to read between the lines. Kasi sometimes, I mean, we communicate through social media, through messenger, for example, or text. Minsan kasi hindi mo talaga na express fully di ba? Yung gusto mo talaga na thought or sometimes na-realize mo, na-send mo na, ay, parang iba yung dating.
Iba.
Di ba?
Parati namin pinag-aawayan yun Kasi ako, ako ma-text ako pag nag-explain.
Pag nag-text
nobela
ganyan
daw.
kahaba, nobela.
O parang kunwari, eto na, may discussion tayo.
Sino ma-call sa inyong dalawa?
Ako.
Siya.
Ako
Ako
siya.
ma-text. Kasi gusto ko na po-process ko yung sasabihin ko ng maayos. So, bakit ko nga ba ito sinasabi? Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Nakalimutan ko.
Kasi pag sa text, minsan hindi mo kaya ma-express na maayos. Yung emotion, yung thoughts
Mas nasasabi mo lahat ng gusto mo
Pero
sabihin. Ikaw kanina
you're
nakakabwisit
saying-
ka.
You're saying mas kaya mo express yung sarili mo through text. Tama ba?
Yeah. Pero hindi yun yung Mamaya, maaalala ko yun. It's part of being a tita. Sometimes you forget.
Kailangan na fish oil. Fish oil!
Hindi, lion's mane.
Lions may, no?
Yeah, pero alam mo, ngayon nowadays talagang hirap din magkaroon ng talagang besties. Kasi kung isipin mo, hindi mo alam ang ibang tao may vested interest sa'yo or sometimes betrayal is very normal nowadays.
Naalala na.
Okay, game.
Naalala ko na.
Game.
Hindi, parang, di ba, kunyari, gamitin na natin example. Sinabi niya, yung I'm not really feeling your music. Sabihin ko, okay. And then after that, syempre may konting hurt yan ng onte kasi poproseso ko what I felt about what she said. But I just need to stand by my decision and explain to her na, I appreciate your comment, but I really feel like going with this direction right now. Parang kailangan ko i-express yun. Minsan lang wrong timing kasi kahit mainit ulo niya, nag-i-express ako ng sarili ko. But ayun, makakatanggap naman ako ng mahabang voice note from her, expressing her.
A 15-minute voice.
Podcast. Nag-podcast na yung
Okay.
reply niya. Pero, ang point is, magkaiba kami as individuals. We handle things differently. But I guess the great thing about our friendship is that we've learned to
Coexist.
and compromise.
Hindi, tsaka support each other. Kasi as women, because we're talking about women, right? Like, I think, parang there's some kind of unspoken competition between women na I can't spell it, but like, yung evil eye?
Yeah.
So it's like when you post something, you just know someone wants to like it, but they won't.
Yes.
Because they're thinking, I am not completely happy for this person.
Correct.
And
Hindi ko ibibigay.
Tsaka
hindi
mataas
ko
ang value ng
ibibigay.
like ko. Diba? May
bakit
ganun,
ko
diba?
ibibigay? Pero napanood ko, hindi ko ibibigay.
Correct.
Ang maganda sa friendship namin, I genuinely wish her the best. And I want her to be the best. And the same, in the same way na she would for me. So I feel safe to like be. With other women, parang medyo side-eye ako ng konti.
Parang di mo alam, baka mamaya ang arte naman ito.
Oo, may sinasabi pala. Or may
sa'yo.
iniisip pala.
Pero alam mo guys, surprisingly pati sa lalaki, ganun na rin ngayon.
Oh, really?
Ganun na rin ngayon.
Yung sense of competition.
Yeah, tsaka minsan yung parang sasabihin sa'yo, I'm happy for you bro, or parang I wish you all the best. I'll pray for you bro. But in reality, salita lang yun. Parang kasi yung actions hindi nag-a-align Ganun yung sinasabi, pero pagka nararamdaman mo, it's different.
Yeah.
So, kaya sasabi ko, it's rare to find the bestie nowadays.
Let alone 18 years.
Yeah.
And I don't really have a lot of friends.
Yeah.
Because like I have a lot of it's a conscious choice. I know a lot of people.
Yeah.
But they're there floating, pero bilang sa kamay yung I would take a bullet for, and I know they would take a bullet for me. When I say friends, I don't mean it loosely. So when I say I have few friends, these are friends.
Friends talaga.
Family.
Hindi acquaintance.
Or my tribe.
Or my tribe, my peeps.
Okay. So ano ang kwento bago tayo mapunta sa topic? Ano ang kwento paano naumpisahan yung tandem nyo? And bakit nyo ginagawa yung mga teach me how to doggy ba yun? Parang gano'n, di ba? Ano history niya? Pakikwento sa amin.
Yun. So when I started, I said this in my guesting. Now when I did the speed talk on YouTube, siya yung producer.
Yeah.
She was directing me. She was editing it. She's a director.
Literally, I edit videos.
Yeah, literally editor. Like yung mga ngayon.
One-man team, ha?
Yeah. I mean, yung mga ngayon nakikita nyong ine-edit, Peanuts 2007 pa lang ito. Pag may sinabi, kasi ako, pag nag-edit, taga-describe lang ako.
Okay.
I want this, ganyan-ganyan. Siya, nagagawa niya. Parang ano talaga. And I said, but the chemistry is like so nice sa batuhan behind the scenes. Why don't you go on cam? And so, nagkaroon ng Speedy G and Abibay.
Yeah, that's my nickname.
Yeah.
Abibay.
Abibay.
Abi.
Vlog
Okay.
na kami.
Yeah, nagvo-vlog, ganyan. And then, nag-develop na siya into a show on YouTube. So, if you actually look it up, YouTube na Say What, our podcast, it's there. So
yung show namin, mga mintanga. In a good way.
Yung YouTube na Say What. Yeah.
Hindi yung sa podcast. Pero I think with the new podcast, yun yung gusto din namin. You were talking about much.
Same name Same name pa rin.
Same name. Nirevive namin.
Nirevive nyo.
Nirevive namin. Pero ngayon.
So, andun pa din siya? Like, nire-upload or what? So, it was
rebrand.
Rebrand. Yeah.
Kasi yun, Say What, na makukulit na nene, sasayaw-sayaw, siskit-skit. Ngayon, we still do those things, but in a more, we know better now.
Classy way. Yeah.
Classy, we're wiser.
Mature way. Yeah.
with a lot more perspective.
Yes, exactly.
Parang Tito Boy Abuda yung pagkakasabi mo sa
And that deserves
That deserves a cheers.
Yes.
perspective. With
Charles and James.
Okay. Pero mapunta tayo sa
Topic
usapan, no? We're talking about skits. How has it helped you guys be able to express yourselves fully and completely?
I think, it's always been a second language for us. Especially, I mean, like, it took her...
Sorry na paano. Taas ng tagay.
Parang na-feel niya ata na kailangan na umasak
Mas mamaya ko noon nasasabihin yan, di ba?
Pag madaldal kami, walang sisihan
ano yung sasabi ko?
Be able to express yourself through skits?
I think it's second nature for us kasi talaga. Iba lang kami ng timeline. Ako, I arrived on it sooner. Siya, took her a while to like... I'm so happy nga kasi right now it's like
thank you.
There was a time na hindi niya masyadong ino-own yung silliness openly.
At saka yung content creation ng makukulit.
Makukulit. May siya, may konting uptight.
Reservation pa.
So sa amin dalawa yun, sabi ko, can you unclench a little bit?
The lips.
The lips, yes. So ano yung sinasabi niya? So, that now it's a second nature to us na pag merong funny, I would forward to her and be like, oh, hey, let's do that. Yeah. Or if there's like a real life experience, I would go, hey, you know what, like we can do this. So it's more of like therapy for us to like power through.
Saka it's so liberating because I feel like since we're talking about women, sometimes people expect you to be a certain way. They put you in a box. So ako, kunyari, as a singer, iniisip ko dati, kailangan serious singer ako, tas presidente pa ako ng Alopecia Philippines. I need to act and speak a certain way. But I also enjoy being goofy with my friends. So does that mean I can't show that to people? I have to keep that side kasi ito yung in-expect nila.
Yeah.
So when I had that epiphany or light bulb moment na bakit nga ba? Wala namang nagsasabi na dapat
You
ito
should
ka
stop
lang.
yourself.
Oo, so when I learned to just really have fun, even with the parodies, you saw some of the parodies that I made, yung I don't give an F in a good way na whatever your opinions are, I'm just having a great time.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, those things open doors for us because we believe also the more authentic and real you are with who you are, yun yung may capacity na mag-impact sa ibang tao. And that's what draws them to you. So I guess our skits are drawing people to us because we're just being ourselves.
Would you guys say that it has helped you deal with life's challenges?
Oh, yeah. Like there were times sinasabi ni Abby, sa podcast, pinag-usapan din natin to. She's like, grabe ka, like, pag mag-shoot, parang wala kang problema. Parang hindi mo
May switch siya eh.
Oh, yeah. May switch ako.
May tawag dyan eh. Nauusap parang functional na...
Functional depression.
Oh yeah, something like that, I guess. Parang gano'n.
Depressed ka ba?
Depressed ka, pero parang the show must go on.
Yeah. No, but kasi for me, it's my high. Being on cam, having an audience is a high for me. So, in a good way.
Yeah.
Parang it brings out the happy no matter how troubled it may be. So, yun yung for us. Like, it's very therapeutic actually.
Okay. Since ginagawa yung therapeutic yung being in comedy, ang tanong ko, paano nyo inaalagaan yung sarili nyo? Kasi, tatanungin ko kayo isa-isa ha. I mean ngayon, let's face it, ang magmula 30s, 40s to 50s, hanggang mag-late 50s ka, ang gaganda at gagwapo na ng mga tao ngayon. Totoo, hindi na to.
Era.
Hindi na to yung parang mga dating old school na, era namin yan ha. Hindi, parang mukha na talagang matanda.
Era po
Even if ang dami nating problema.
Yeah.
May iwasan yan eh. It's how you carry yourself. Pero, ano yung mga ginagawa nyo on a day-to-day basis? Like, do you meditate? Do you work out? I mean, do you do recovery retreats? I mean, what do you do?
Ikaw muna?
Okay. Ako, I really value my time and set aside time specifically for me. So whether that's mental yan, if I need a break, I meditate, I pray. If I need to work out, I started being active na rin. Going to the gym, working out, yung mga kinakain ko. Kinakain in a sense na hindi lang, I'm gonna be healthy, I'm gonna take care of myself, I'll eat healthy. Hindi minsan gusto kong mag-junk food. Gusto kong
Reward
kumain.
yourself.
Yeah, reward yourself.
That sense of balance of just being aware of what you need at the moment and listening to your body, listening to what this, and this needs.
Yun.
Yeah. Gusto mo yung hagod nung
And allowing that to...
slow mo eh. May effect ba? Meron eh.
And
Iba energy nitong dalawang to.
allowing that, na parang being, embracing the different needs that you have.
Yeah.
Okay, so meditation, praying,
Yeah.
tapos from time to time, you cheat sa diet mo and working out.
Yeah, I'm
Sometimes
so
I
glad
drink.
Tinuloy-tuloy mo yung cheat sa diet mo. Kasi from time to time, you cheat.
Parating niya kasi okay, akala ko yun.
Oh, yeah.
How about you?
Ako, well, my son keeps me grounded. So everything that I see in him now, parang it's my push to be, alam mo yun?
Siya yung gasolina mo, no?
Oo, siya talaga eh. Pag nakikita ko siya, tapos yung sobrang raw and innocent, yung I would do everything to be the best that I can be for this little person. So with that, I journal. I read my Bible as much as I can. And actually, phases naman in life. Ngayon talagang, I really want to work on my relationship with God. And physical, face yoga.
Face yoga.
Yeah, she's been thinking about it.
Yeah, parang ganun. Like,
Ano nagagawa na parang bumabanat ba yung skin?
na nababanat. And I can honestly say that it did give me a good improvement. And then, mga creams, mga very tita.
Tama naman. Mga moisturizer.
Mga moisturizer.
Eye serum.
Yes,
Yan.
mga ganyan.
Appear muna tayo dyan. Di ba? Appear tayo. Join ka sa group?
Yes.
Gusto mo join sa group?
Sa serum group.
appear ka na.
Serum group.
Serum group.
Sa serum. Yung mga
Kailangan
ganyan.
ko na rin yan. No?
Mga cold pressed juices, mga ganyan. So, and now I just bought a weighted jump rope.
Oh, that's good. Ano to? Ano yung binili mo na weighted jump rope?
It's just a normal one from Decathlon. I just
The weighted.
weighted, yeah. So I just saw something.
Hinihintay siya.
Ay,
Joke lang.
weighted.
Okay na.
Barumpom. Tita Jo. So yeah.
Yun yung, okay. So, okay. How about yung mga ice bath? Ginagawa niyo ba yan?
I've been asking about that. I
Ay,
have
pumalakpak. No, I love it. Lalo na yung tingling feeling after mo mag-ice plunge. Tapos punta ka sa mainit.
Yes.
I haven't tried.
Try mo.
But in the morning, I have ice balls.
Ice balls. What's that? Ay, okay. Gets ko na ako. Shit, sorry ha. Go ice balls?
cheers to that.
Cheers muna tayo sa ice balls. Okay.
Yes, the ice balls.
Girl!
Buti ka mabulunan sa ice balls.
Grabe ka, Charles and James. Ano ginagawa mo sa kanila?
Literal na ice balls.
Okay.
I mean, metal ice balls.
Okay.
So it's like metal balls.
Yeah.
So the circulation on your fest, you know,
You
in
said
the
that
morning.
earlier. Pinaantay mo pa kami. Tension tapos shit.
Hindi. At saka bumitin siya eh. You know what I have in the morning?
Ice balls.
No, metal ice balls. So it.
Sa curveball eh. Antayin mo bumalik.
Doon ang bawi. So yun, I
Do
really.
that on your face.
Yeah, I put that on my face.
So you put
The ice
balls on your
my
face.
Yeah.
And then I don't know, may ritual lang ako. I do gua sha, 40 minutes of gua
Hindi,
sha.
ang tiyaga niya.
And face yoga and ice balls and meditate. Journaling, Bible and taking care of my son in the morning. I wake up at 4:30 every day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Teka lang, ano ka tutulog?
That's debatable.
Ano na lang, minimum na lang na tulog mo sa isang araw?
That's
Minimum.
what I need to work on. Because
Okay.
my minimum is 5. My max is 5.
Oh.
I'm a very light sleeper.
Same as you, ganun ka rin?
Ganun. Oo, I need to work on that.
Chat lang ata kayo sa gabi kung ano ano marites sis?
Walang tulog.
Hence,
Mga
more on the
insomnia.
gummies on ashwagandha, mga like mga melatonin teas, mga ganyan.
Yan. Yung ice bath, alam mo, makakatulog ka na maaga.
Oh, really? I should really give that a try.
May dagdag pa ako.
Sige, ano yan?
Parang feeling ko mas ine-embrace na namin na other than the things that make us happy, feeling hot and being hot.
Oh, love it!
Oh,
Girl!
diba?
You know, I think it comes from also being able to take care of yourself.
Yeah.
When we
Yeah.
talk about wellness, that being able to take care of yourself adds to your perception of your self-worth.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
How you value
Hindi,
yourself.
tsaka ganun ka makikita ng tao eh. Kung ganun yung nafe-feel mo.
Yeah.
Unahin mo sarili mo.
Yeah.
Diba?
I mean, we're each other's cheerleader. We would always be like, girl, you look fine. So hot.
Girl, sexy mo ngayon ah. Iba ka.
Oh, pero when you look in the mirror, dapat ikaw mismo.
You can see that.
Yung nakikita mo sa salamin, na natutuwa ka na, I'm taking care of myself. So I want to wear this. I want to take care of my skin. I want to take care of my look.
I was actually telling her the other day lang kasi ako like we were discussing branding.
branding,
What's your
okay.
branding ganyan? It's like for the longest time I was so like mom, speed talker, producer, actress, host ganyan. Sabi ko funny hot mama. That's
Own it.
Own it. Funny hot mama.
Yeah.
That's it. And then the rest goes with it. Yeah.
Kasi I think it's part of maturing also and growing up and becoming more unapologetically you. That you don't rely on other people to make you feel that
Correct.
way.
Yeah.
Ikaw mismo yung gumagawa ng paraan. I like this. Si Tracy Ellis Ross, the daughter of Diana Ross, sabi, are you high maintenance? Sabi niya, I am, but I'm able to maintain myself beautifully.
Oh, galing.
So as women, parang you can't rely on other people to make you feel the way you want to feel.
Yeah.
Do that for yourself.
O teka muna, Bri. Tanungin
Ito
muna
na,
natin
ito na.
sila ng top 3
Yes,
qualities
yes.
nila.
Oh my God!
What are your top 3 qualities as a person? We would like to know. Tsaka, how were you able to use that in your life? Sabi ka na lang ng example, pero ulitin na natin yung sinabi mo kanina. Sa
Mali mo, gusto niya iba.
Oh, pwede rin iba.
Pwede naman iba.
Balikan tayo. Ping-pong
Abi, ikaw
tayo.
muna.
Or you want to spice it up, I could tell her.
Spice it up?
No.
Gusto talaga niya itong mga ano.
Like I could give your best qualities and then you give mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pwede.
O tapos sabihin nyo if agree or
If
hindi.
agree. Yeah.
Sige.
Sige,
Ano
sige.
dito, okay lang magbasagan dito
Yeah.
Yes. Go ahead, Abby.
Sige, I'll give yours muna.
Sige.
Okay.
You're very self-sufficient.
Self-sufficient.
Too sufficient.
No, but
So
like
agree.
ano siya,
Tingnan ko
parang
muna yung explanation niya.
yeah,
Bakit?
kasi meron
Bakit ako self-sufficient?
no, kasi yun nga, being an NBSB, like
I-announce mo pa!
Hindi, balay mo yung makapanood
okay.
nito. Di ba?
Actually, alam mo,
Kawiskin
dating
natin
show ko
eh.
ito
Please put the phone number down.
No, but being that way, I feel like it gave you yung parang that self-sufficiency na strength. You're very strong. In the sense that soft. Your strength is softness and resilience. Like you can stand on your own.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Pero ako ramdam ko sa inyong dalawa yun. Meron kayong ganung vibe.
Yeah.
Siya din. So, babalik ko naman sa kanya.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
ganun
so ano naman
din.
sa
With
kanya?
her strength, she has the saying, we're one of the strongest women that we know. And I could honestly say that about you. Because, when people see G, they would always see a well-rounded, successful, happy, talented person. But, behind that, life happens and there's so many challenges that you have to carry. But this girl shows up no matter what.
Yeah.
Kung ano man ang pinagdaanan kagabi, kaninang umaga, when you need to step up and be present, she's present and she
Yeah.
delivers.
Aww. No, because literally, like when we filmed the podcast, I was having not a good day. And then when we filmed the podcast, yeah, let's go.
And you could rely on her. She's super reliable. 2 words na yon, pero she's a very reliable person because she's the type of woman who, when she says something, she follows through.
Aww.
Ano na yung second quality naman niya?
Paano ka ba? You always put a positive spin on things. Like, kunwari, if kasi I'm the type, siya yung takbuhan ko pag tatawag ko, oh my God, ganyan, tawag ako, like, oh my God, ganyan. And then, but at the end of it, I would almost always hear her go, but actually, ito, and you don't realize it, but sometimes I feel like katapusan na when I open up, when I rant to you, but then you would say stuff na parang, okay, I can live another day. Kasi you would phrase it in a way na parang, but actually, if you think about it, ganun.
Perspective.
Perspective.
Yun.
May ganun.
She has a healthy level of perspective.
Okay.
Oh,
So
thank you. I
what's the
appreciate
number
that.
1? Sorry.
For me,
For self-sufficient,
Perspective.
And-
great perspective.
optimism.
Optimism.
Okay. So sa kanya naman,
Yung kanina is,
I show up.
you show up.
Showing up.
And then reliable.
Reliable.
And the third is, this girl loves deeply and fiercely. And she's the
Fierce
type
lover
of
nga daw eh.
fierce lover. No, for real, she would beat up someone else on your behalf.
Yeah.
Not saying that as a positive thing, but that's how wild she is when she wants to protect and when she wants to be there for someone that she
Truly loves.
Yeah. I know. Parang I morph. Mama bear.
Yeah. Beating people is never good. by
Yeah.
the way.
It's never good. Yeah.
pero paminsan pwede rin pag sobrang kupal. Pwede rin
yan,
from
yan,
time to
yan.
time.
Oo. Pero siya yung tipong gano'n na, gano'n, teka nga.
Pangarap ko yun. Yung, let me out! Ganon. Kaya ako tinatawag na yaping chihuahua. Ganon.
Parang doon sa part na I see myself. Eh.
Yeah.
Doon sa part. Tas, yeah. And then the third one
Kung
naman.
palabasin ang
Leon.
Leon.
Yeah. Don't let the dragon out. For her, one last, it served you in life. Very resourceful.
Wow.
She can make gold out of nothing. Like,
Are you talking about men? I'm kidding.
no, but like, I don't know if by the time this comes out, her single is out.
Oh
But
yeah, please support.
yeah, but like, her ideas are genius. Like, I would always call her half of my brain when I would conceptualize for GTV, for Muchness, whenever I have to come up with stuff, tas last minute, Abby, can I pick your brain? Like, ganyan. Because she can make stuff out of nothing. So, very resourceful. Yun nga. If she wants to make things happen, she has the goods to back it up.
Coming from your story nga kanina di ba? Producer, writer, editor. Ano pang resource kailangan? Di ba? Ito na direct, guys.
Okay.
So, ang next natin na segment, which is Kwentong Mental Health.
Kwentong mental health. So, ikaw, kamusta ang mental health mo?
So basically, we have here life cards, which contains life questions. And basically, at random, you will pick. Upon reading it out loud, the question, shot ka muna ng whiskey and then answer the question. Nagawa mo na to. Tingnan natin kung ano yung kapalaran mo. Second time around. So,
Tapos
pero,
sinuli, no?
siya muna.
Ang gawin natin, ikaw ang mag-pick for her.
Ikaw magtatanong sa kanya. Sige.
Mga kaibigan, nandito tayo ngayon para sa isang katanungan para kay Miss G. Canlas.
By the way, sila po ang host ng Life Over Whiskey. Guest lang po kami.
Yes po, thank you for being on our show.
Salamat.
Take over.
Okay, eto na ang iyong katanungan. Isang maikling buhay na puno ng kahulugan o isang mahabang buhay na pangkaraniwan?
Maikling buhay.
Please elaborate.
Please elaborate. Well, Lord, sana wag naman.
Wag naman,
Wag naman, Lord.
Wood to wood.
Pero like, if I were to, choose. Because I feel like, when they say go out with a bang, parang it's like, kaysa naman fizzle out, go out with a bang. So, if God blesses me to be a vibrant doer until I'm in my
60s.
hundreds.
Hundreds? Mali naman pala ako.
Tapos yung speed talk niya, slow talk na kasi sabi niya,
Wait, sorry, postizo. No, but like if God bless me with like a vibrant long life, galing, di ba? Pero if not, gusto ko yung mas marami akong napasaya, mas marami akong na-bless. Yung anak ko maraming natutunan na aral sa akin. I want my son to be proud of his mother.
Rockstar ang nanay ko.
Yeah, your mom was a badass who kicked ass for you.
Yeah.
So,
Amen.
Amen.
Oh,
Amen.
pili ka na para
Hallelujah.
kay Abby.
Nako, kinakabahan na po siya.
Okay, ito na.
Dugdug.
Kung ang mirror.
Ay!
What do you want to be remembered for?
Mahirap naman. Legacy. I want to be remembered for having the courage to be all that I can be and to live her life to the full. That courage was able to inspire other people to do the same. To live their lives amazingly.
Is that like from Marian Williamson?
That's from Spider-Man. Ay, responsibility pala
Assist siya
yun.
para sa sunod na kalala.
Hindi sasabihin, no regrets.
No regrets. Yes, sir.
Parang galing.
Yeah. I love that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero yun nga. Nag-elaborate. Sabi, tapos na nag-elaborate pa. Hindi kasi parating ko yun eh. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi, diba? If we want to be the role model that your younger self didn't have, parang that's something that I would always try to live according to.
Advocate for your younger self.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero, Bri, hindi naman ang friendship, di ba, always perfect. I'm sure ang friendship nyo, di ba, Bri, sure,
Dumaan talaga.
Naging rocky rin yan, di ba?
Kasi
What do you think?
imagine 18 years eh. Obviously, you've changed over the past 18 years. So, all throughout ba na 18 years na yan? Like, magkaibigan talaga kayo?
No.
Walang plastikan na.
Nag-FO na kami.
FO, as in friendship over.
As in, I hate you.
I hate your
Kapal
guts.
ng mukha mo.
Tatanggalin ko yung wig mo. Hayop ka! No, but like...
Nangyari.
No, but we were... umabot talaga tayo sa ganun
Grabe,
point.
tatanggalin yung ugan.
No, because it was connected to Amazing Race.
Yeah.
Amazing Race,
Yeah,
okay?
because I did Amazing Race.
Okay.
And it was our dream to do that. We were
Both of you?
Yeah.
So kayo partner doon?
Yeah, because we were doing hindi kami hindi kami natanggap. Doon sa Asia. Parang we were invited to
Singapore.
audition to Singapore. Well, we auditioned, natanggap tayo.
Yeah.
Na final cast kami sa Amazing Race Asia. Hindi natuloy, hindi kami nakuha. So, sad. Pero biglang in-invite siya kung pwede ba kayo sa Amazing Race Philippines.
Yeah.
At that time, I already had someone investing in my music. Sabi niya, could you not do that first? We wanna do the album with you. Say no to Amazing Race. Siyempre ako parang, I wanna sing, I wanna do my music. Si G.
But I want to
say
support G.
what? What am I gonna do? So, ayun. I made a choice.
Yeah, she backed out.
I backed out.
So I was...
Amazing Race
Did you
Philippines.
regret it?
No. Pero I'll give her chance to first.
Okay.
No, but I was so mad. Kasi ngayon, she had
Angasan na to, pare.
No, but she had reservations eh. She was
Yeah.
like saying na, yun nga, parang at the time kasi she wasn't
People
open
didn't
about her
know.
alopecia.
Yeah.
So parang she's like, what if my wig falls off? What if ganito, ganyan. So parang like, but we already auditioned for this. Hindi mo ba ito naisip nung first round? Tapos ngayon mo sasabihin sa akin yan. So we were so close. And then I remember, when you said that we're different people now, we are because before you would say stuff you don't mean or you don't think about it when you say stuff. So when she backed out, nag-message ako sa kanya, sabi ko, forget we were ever friends. Sabi ko. So, ito.
Ako yung producer ng Say What. Ako may hawak ng YouTube channel. Ganun ba? We were never friends. Say What never existed.
Oh my. Brutal.
Pagtingin ko sa YouTube.
Ganun ba?
Oh my God, galit na galit ako. I was livid.
Delete! Pero hindi ko ma-delete. Hinide ko lang.
Pagtingin ko sa YouTube,
Akala niya dinelete.
hindi ko na ma-search yung, oh my God.
So yung pinaghirapan nyo, parang
yung parodies, lahat. Binuna niya. So,
I could be spiteful if I wanted to.
yeah.
But that
Gusto ko
was...
may paghawak sa
But when I was young...
Spiteful.
When I was young.
But it was 2 years. Now we didn't.
Sino
Ang tagal
nag-approach
nun,
una?
She did.
Ako ba?
Oh!
Ako nga.
Kasi,
Yung galit pa siya. Ako nga.
Hindi kasi nung magkakalbo na ako for alopecia awareness, parang sabi ko, ang babaw na nung pinag-awayan namin ni G. Mas importante na
Yung
naging
friendship,
bahagi
ano?
siya ng buhay ko. Tapos I was doing something monumental for myself, which is embracing my alopecia. So I texted her, hey, I know we haven't been talking.
Bati na tayo.
Oo, pero it would really mean a lot if you could go to this event because I decided to come out and embrace my alopecia, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya, I can't go pero let's talk. Nag-usap.
yeah.
Wow, medyo nagpakipot ng konti. Di ba? Ikaw
Alam rin na
Nag-meet kami sa McDo Marcos Highway.
Malapit sa Mike Jim yun.
Malapit na.
Malapit yun.
Tapos yung itsura niya, yung pagpasok, nakaganon yung parang,
Tapos siya yung
eh.
Wala mo nang yumakap, bumeso,
Wala,
gano'n.
galit pa sila eh,
I
galit
wanted
pa.
to hash it out kasi parang,
Galit pero open.
Galit pero open. Pero kasi when I did Amazing Race. I ended up doing Amazing Races. The whole time I was like, I'm gonna show her. Like, I'm gonna win this. Kasi wala siya doon. But then when we hashed it out, parang I really never thought na magiging close pa ulit. Kasi para sa akin, basta bygones be bygones, so okay na yun. Kasi okay naman yung buhay niya, okay naman yung buhay ko, and we're good. Yun lang naman eh. I wanted na good.
Pero it takes a lot of courage kasi alpha rin siya eh. Siguro parang lumapit din siya sa'yo. Siyempre, alam din niya how you are.
Yeah.
Hindi mo masabi, baka tarayan ako nito. O sabihin nito, tangina mo. Diba? But,
we could curse in the podcast.
yeah, of course, you can.
Huwag naman yung puro mura, di ba?
Hindi, pero,
Delete natin.
no, pero kasi, surprisingly, sinasabi ni Abby na I forgive fast. Di ba sinabi mo yung sabi pa?
Grab 2 years naman. Hindi naman fast yun.
Hindi, pero
Hindi, pag nag-sorry na, oo siya agad.
Okay.
Ganon ako.
Parang wala man lang hirap-hirap.
Hindi, pero...
Nag-give niya na ako agad.
Oo, tas...
Pero ako din naman, dinamdam ko rin kasi bakit hindi mo matanggap na ito yung decision ko for myself.
Yeah.
I know we were a duo, but I wanted to do something for my music, which is also a dream of mine. I know we had a dream together, but at that time, I was being called to step into this other dream, which I know hurt her. But in terms of having regrets, I really believe that everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
And if I said no to that opportunity, it became a great opportunity for you to grow as a woman.
Yeah.
To spend time with Sheena, to see the Philippines.
Yeah.
And ako, it gave me an opportunity to find myself and to know what it is that I really want to do in life.
Pero minsan, di mo ba naisip, what if hindi mo pinili yun? Ano nangyari?
Naiisip ko what if, but mas importante yung what if it happens again. And then we're two different people with wider perspectives and more experiences. Imagine how much we're gonna kick ass.
Oh,
if
we're
we do
so
that
gonna
again.
kick butt.
Diba?
Pero kasi, ano eh.
Grabe friendship nitong dalawa doon, no?
Pero ano, I think...
Sabi so we are. Grabe friendship we are.
And in case di mo na-notice, pero kami competitive. No, but like I think more than the opportunities career-wise, I think okay din na nangyari yung friendship over. Kasi na-test ko na okay lang na magtampuhan. Basta wag lang magsalita ng tapos.
Yeah.
Tsaka nag-aaway pa rin kami
Oh yeah.
As in, ang lala. Minsan parang umabot na din sa point na mag-friendship over ulit ba tayo? Ganong klaseng
Meron ba kayong
away.
usapan na parang kami ni Bri? Kasi kami ni Bri, parang lagi naming ruling, oh bro, pagka, alam mo, kasi, I mean, let's face it, minsan tayo, pagka may mga ibang tao, pag yung isang kaibigan mo, hindi mo maiwasan magsasabi ka sa ibang tao, ito, kupal naman itong sa mga naugali nito eh.
Yeah.
Kami ni Bri, may ruling kami. Na parang since we're business partners, and at the same time, friends na.
Yeah.
Kasi nauna kami as business partner before we became friends.
Yeah.
Dapat, anything na samaan ng loob, it stays between the two of us.
That's a healthy
wag
rule.
wag na nating sakyan yung hate ng iba dun sa isang tao. Like for example, kunyari lang, inis ako kay Bri, I won't tell you na parang, ang sasabihin ko na, simple lang, how's Bri? Sabi ko, he's okay. Parang yan.
Yeah.
Dumating ba kayo sa phase na nag-backstaban kayo? Or, I mean,
Yes.
Yeah.
baka grabe po tong podcast na to. Napaka-honest.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Pero this was
really
like...
went into freaking trials and tribulations yung
As in,
relationship ng dalawang to.
as in enemy.
As in, enemy.
Tingin namin sa isa't isa enemy.
Oo.
Na ang galing nga, na doon ko rin mas nabavalue na grabe na lampasan natin yun in fairness.
In fairness.
Which means that our love for each other is deeper than
What's the opposite of love?
disagreements, the hate.
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's always gonna be a love and hate relationship. Kasi
Yeah.
sometimes you see a different side of you with the other person. I would say ganun din kami ni Direk because we're yin-yang completely opposite yet complementary.
Sino yung mas
Sometimes
yapping chihuahua sa inyo?
in what manner?
Like,
yung laging nagagalit, yung laging
May masasabi?
may pinagsasabihan.
Yung ang
ganon.
daming sinasabi.
Ano tingin mo?
Parang ako ata. Parang ako. Ako yung parang sobrang straightforward ko kasi na, Bri, pag mayroon agad ako hindi gusto. Kanyari, let's say after this podcast, mayroon ako hindi nagustuhan. Brian, hindi ko gusto yung ginawa mo kanina ha. Hindi
You
ko
call
trip
it
yun.
out.
Next time, don't do that. Which is na-adapt na rin niya eventually. Kasi
That's
parang
great.
for
That's
me,
great.
wag mo nang palakihin. Kasi pag sumama pa loob natin sa isa't isa,
Magfe-fester.
Yeah.
sasabog na lang yan.
Yeah.
No, but that's
Pero-
the best kinds of friendship, that you could be open to that extent of really calling out someone. Na, yes, we went through the whole backstabbing era, pero ngayon...
That was over a decade ago.
Also, inggitan, umabot ba kayo doon sa success ng isa't isa?
Hindi. No, ayaw ko with you. Ako hindi talaga eh.
Steady pa lang naman tayo. Feeling ko hindi pa naman tayo sumobra.
Hindi pa naman tayo-
Papunta pa lang.
Pero kasi ang maganda
On the way.
sa kanila, magkaiba ng magkaiba ng genre eh. I mean, pareho sila sa comedy, pero singer, tapos siya naman more on talaga sa creative siya eh. So, medyo different pa rin.
Yeah. Parang ngayon mas we've learned to stay away from drama. Kaya rin maikli na lang yung away natin.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
we don't have the energy to dwell.
Yeah.
We would fight and then the next day, let's hash it out.
I'm so allergic.
Gusto niya.
I'm so
Let's talk
allergic to
about it.
drama.
So, ngayon din, nagkaroon ng time kasi ma-open up ako sa my other friends. She had to call me out and say, could you please keep whatever arguments we have between us lang?
Yeah.
Alam mo, tayong dalawang pareho.
Mula nung sinabi na yun,
May
kasi-
point naman.
Very pareho sila.
kasi marami rin ako ibang friends. Uy, kasi I have lots of friends. So sometimes I would tell stories about, ay nako, ito yung nangyari sa amin ni G. Pero
Sometimes kasi they might
Yeah.
take it a different
Yeah.
way. Like
Yung-
ikaw, you have a perception of G already na you can manage na maybe over time maisip mo na maybe nasabi lang niya yun because
May
sitwasyon
meron
niya.
lang siyang
Ang problema kasi doon, Bri, some people take it differently.
Yun
eh.
nga, yun yung sabi ko.
Yeah. Natetaint na eh.
And then tsaka ikaw, over ka na, friends na kayo ulit. Yung barkada mo, ang sama pa rin
dala-dala
ng
pa rin.
tingin.
Kamusta
Ganun
yung
pa.
ano mo?
Oh, ba't kaibigan mo na naman yan? Akala ko ba?
Ganyan siya. So I get what Direk said meant when sabi niya na sa atin na muna yung, kasi we hash it out.
Yeah.
Instead
Pero
of,
pag may days kaming hindi nag-uusap niyan pagka mga ilang araw talaga bibigyan niya ako space kasi madakdak ako pag nagalit ako.
ito si Derek.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Sabi ko,
Nag-ano ka? Sumasagot ka back? O,
hindi,
tayo?
hindi ako sumasagot.
Mas silent treatment, diba?
Hindi ako silent treatment. I'd rather us address the issue at hand kaysa fester palaguin pa natin na it becomes out of hand na. Si Derek, hindi yan ganyan Hindi yan ganyan ngayon. Dati, war freak siya dati.
Ako before
Parang
lumaki ako na, alam mo yung story, ayun sanay sa gulo. Alam mo yung gano'n?
Sabi mo, sino yapper sa amin? Sino sa atin? Pero alam ko, before, ganun siya. Pero he was able to manage, tame it. Kasi alam niya, baka may masabi siya na hindi niya na matik
Magsisi
back.
ako.
Magsisisi siya. So, ang ginagawa niya na ngayon is, take a step back, look at the old, in a third, parang in a wider perspective nga, bird's eye view. And tsaka tayo mag-usap kapag naka-form na ako ng understanding or maybe conclusion as to what happened. Diba?
Dear, masakit ka ba magsalita? Kasi ako medyo masakit ako magsalita. Kaya I try to control myself. Sa sobrang honest ko, sometimes, ako natuto na rin ako kay Bri na, okay, this is how I handle Bri. And siguro maturity na rin. Dumating na ako sa point ng buhay ko na parang minsan, kung ibang maliliit na bagay, palagpasin na lang. Pero, pag kailangan kong i-address ngayon mismo, addressin ko yan. Kasi ayokong lumaki yan, magalit pa ako lalo. I don't know if we're the same.
Ako, hindi naman sa masakit magsalita, but direct. Like, hindi naman ako, alam mo yun, yung I say stuff to hurt, but I will address it.
Okay.
I don't back down.
What if sensitive si Abby?
Which she is, pero...
I am?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not aware.
I'm not aware.
I don't know that.
Pero kasi, yun nga, over the years, parang nag-morph ako diba? Hindi na katulad nung before. Before, like, I head on. Ngayon, as much as possible, iiwas ako.
Ang laki na in-improve nito
Parang
alam mo, diba 18 years na kayo? Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, like if we met like 10, 12 years ago, like baka hindi tayo nagkasundo. Hindi ka mag-jive.
Ako, iwas.
Dati, grabe yung pride nito.
Ay, oo.
Kahit ako, grabe talaga.
Aminado naman siya,
Yung
diba?
ego, yung parang, i-explain mo na lahat, magsusorry ka na, meron pa rin siyang, but that's not how you say sorry. If you really meant it. Keme, parang ako, oh my God, nagsorry na.
Yeah.
Pero Albo, feeling ko talaga meron kang vibe na sa kaugali ko to. May vibe ka ganun dito.
Pero now kasi, yun.
Biglang naging maluman.
Pero now, as in talagang like, I choose my battles. As much as possible, if I can do without drama, like, kaya ako masyadong nagagalit pag may drama. Kasi I stay away Bakit mo ako hinahanap drama? Kinakasok ko yung drama.
So paano ngayon pag may pinost si Abby, hindi mo nagustuhan? Kasi kunyari, minsan kami si Brian, magpo-post siya, hindi ko nagustuhan. Do you tell her right away?
I don't have to worry about that because she's super
I tell
aesthetic. Like, she would pick really nice photos.
Yeah. Or sometimes, kung superficial yung angle, palitan mo yan.
Siya yun.
Yung angle ko.
Ikaw yung magkasabi sa kay
Ako, hindi naman masyado. Hindi naman ako ganon.
Hindi, nagaganon ka din.
Ano bang, saan?
Post mo ko dyan sa stories mo kasi ang ganda ko dyan.
Shit, binukig!
Ang ganda ko dyan, post mo yan. Ako naman, sige, post na.
Pero alam mo, one thing din, Brian, na masasabi ko naman about him, ang galing din ng balance namin. Kasi siya yung, kumbaga sa siya yung taga-kalma. Siya yung best trait niya, I would say. Kasi kung saying ko, kunyari kami ganun dalawa, parang feeling ko baka 10 years hindi pa rin kami bating dalawa.
It's fire and water.
Yeah.
Fire and water.
Actually, nakukuha ko yung vibe mo is very like...
Mas parang same tayo na.
Yeah.
So, people like us, the moment na rattled tayo, it means a lot about the environment we subject ourselves into. Kasi alam natin na inherently, ang character natin is we're chill, we're peaceful, we're calm.
And we take ourselves out of that environment, right? Because we know that it's causing us chaos internally. So the approach would be, I don't need this right now. Sorry, I need time for myself.
I'll leave.
Yeah.
Because I need to recenter and realign myself.
You'll know it. Even ikaw, di ba, past couple of months na parang erratic ako. So, but the moment that I left something, it became parang, I went back to myself. Parang, I'm home. Parang ganun feeling. So, it's that, pero yung balance na yun, it's the fire and water. Kailangan mo ng fire.
Yeah.
Like, fire is like, it's the source of life right? But water is,
It calms.
yeah, di ba? Parang kapag nag-grill ka, di ba? Pag sobrang init na talaga, you need to balance kasi sayang yung niluluto mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Susunog.
Parang ganun nga tayo.
So you're the fire with the water.
Yeah.
Fire
I
and
think this is a
water.
friendship episode talaga.
Halo-halo, no?
Kaya ito sa podcast nila. Usapan eh. Ay, nako. Alam nyo guys, it's really been a pleasure having a
Ang saya.
conversation with
Actually,
you.
nag-enjoy kami. Ang saya-saya.
If we were just to share our takeaways to our mga kawiski at mga kalobarkada, no? Direk Che, if
Ako, sige,
you
I'll
may.
start first. Siguro more of ang takeaway ko is that yung friendship is tested through time. Parang hindi pala hindi pala minsan pag nagkamali na yung kaibigan mo, hindi porket may nanggawa na sa'yo na hindi maganda, na feeling mo, hindi ka sinuportahan sa, let's say, sa career. Parang nananalo pa rin yung forgiveness and yung lalim ng friendship. So parang everybody deserves a second chance. And ano yan, sabi nila, friendship is stronger the second time around. That's my learning for tonight.
Ako, alam mo, Direk, even though ang topic natin is women, wellness, and self-worth, it's just nice to have somebody na kabatuhan mo.
Yeah.
And be, in a way, influence one another for the better. Kasi ganun din si Direk sa akin eh.
Yeah.
In terms of wellness, I take a lot of inputs and insight, not just with business, but with how he is living his life. Obviously, mas matanda siya sa akin, but wag ka
Medyo may mauupakan ako after the podcast ha.
Obviously, mas matanda sa akin.
Pakikat mo yun ha. Joke lang.
Pero alam mo yun, kumbaga nadaanan yan eh.
Yeah.
And
Alam mo, inulit niya pa.
I mean, I don't mean it in a way.
Pero tandaan mo, hindi na ako tinatapakan mo. Tatlo kami.
But yun nga it's something that I cherish kasi it allows me to be aware of certain things that I haven't had the chance to experience yet.
Yeah.
And being able to improve how I deal with my life, and ultimately it gives me more self-worth
Yeah.
how I see myself.
Yeah.
How about you guys? What's your takeaway sa ating conversation?
Yeah, surprisingly, ang takeaway ko is hi, hello po. Kumusta po, Mami? Ang takeaway ko is, it's so refreshing to talk to people that are like-minded. It's so nice to surround yourself with people na, same traits pala. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Yung ganon. It discovers, it makes me discover more about who I am. Kasi dynamic of other people exists pala outside our own friendship. Usually kasi ito lang yung nakikita mo. It's parang, like similar qualities. It's so refreshing. And so my takeaway is, expanding also is nice. Expanding your circle is nice.
Yeah.
You're comfortable with like certain things, but I'm speaking to myself being an ambivert na I'm so comfortable with like stuff na it's nice to like meet like-minded people.
Love it.
Love it. How about you?
Two things.
Seriously.
Competitive to. Two things sa kanya.
No, first, because you said I was self-sufficient. That's one of the characteristics that you said. But in reality, no matter how much you take care of yourself, how self-aware you are, you could never not have or need people in your life. And it makes life more fulfilling, more fun. There are days you really won't be able to pick yourself up from your bed. You need your friend to encourage you, to tell you that things are gonna be okay, to support you. Feeling mo, kaya mo na, okay lang, kahit wala anong sabihin nila. Pero one encouragement from your friend means the world.
Would help, yeah.
And then the second one is, us being in our 40s, you being 32. Parang, alam ko, behind the scenes takeaway ito. But it was so nice because prior to this episode, we were talking about auditioning and doing VTRs and all these things. And you have your own podcast. We're starting our own podcast. We're doing all these things at 40. And one major takeaway that I just want to share to people is age really is just a number.
Yeah.
Whatever dreams you might have, you might feel may mga regrets, missed opportunities or decisions, but you have today. And you could still take the experiences and the learnings that you have from the past to make your dreams happen now and in the future. So,
no limits.
No limits.
Yeah. That's the message, no limits.
Grabe, no? Parang ito ang pinakamatagal na podcast.
No way!
Grabe. Ayaw maputol ng aming usapan, di ba?
My third thing. Joke lang.
Grabe na, it really feels as if things are meant to happen. And maybe, you guys are starting your own podcast.
Yeah.
This is a sign or maybe a hint that it's meant to be enjoyed with the people who you cherish or who matters the most.
Yeah, we're so excited.
And, grabe, Direk J, it has been a fruitful episode. Ang dami natin na pag-usapan. Mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-lobarkada, follow niyo po sila saan kayo.
Yeah.
Follow.
Well, first of all, our podcast is by this time up.
Yes! Yay! Supportahan nyo, ha?
Say What? The podcast.
Say What, the podcast with Abby and G.
Yeah. So, anything that is under the sun, we talk about it from our own perspectives, and please feel free to follow us. Say What Girls on Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube, and of course, my personal one is Miss Gcanlas on TikTok, Gcanlas on IG, GTV on Facebook.
Nice.
Yes, please support our podcast. We're really excited about that. And then I'm also releasing new music. Yay! I'm so excited. It's Modern Kundiman. So the first song is called Halaoy. Would have been out already. So it's about, the malanding haliparot.
Haliparot.
So yun ang ating tema sa mga susunod na buwan. So please check out my music on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and on my social media accounts at Abby Asistio on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and everywhere.
Hindi ka ba voice-over talent?
Nagbo-voice-over
Yeah,
tayo.
voice-over.
And with that,
Maraming
salamat mga ka-whiskey, mga ka-lobarkada for tuning in on this episode. And always remember,
stay pogs. Usually, pag naka-whiskey ka,
mas open ka. Lalo na kapag
may Charles and
may
James.
Charles and James. Cheers, guys!
Cheers!
At may Say What
See you on the next episode!
Bye!
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado. Ihanda ang may katbaso sa lames at
Big Eyes Production.